In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule Zoho webinar. Let's walk through the entire process from start to finish so you can confidently set up your next session. Open your browser and head to the Zoho meeting homepage. Once you're on the main screen, look for the area dedicated to webinars. You may see a navigation menu or a tab labeled Webinar. Go ahead and switch to that section so you're working in the right place. From the webinar area, find the option to create a new event and click Schedule. This is where you set all the details your attendees will see. When you're asked what kind of webinar you want to create, choose Live Webinar. Live webinars run at a specific date and time and let you engage with attendees in real time, which is perfect for launches, trainings, and interactive walkthroughs. Next, click into the title field. Type a clear, compelling title that tells people exactly what they'll get. Keep it concise, action-oriented, and specific. For example, lead with the outcome or main topic and avoid internal jargon. A strong title makes your registration page easier to understand and will help your audience decide quickly if the session is right for them. Now click into the description box. Add a short overview that answers what the session covers, who it's for, and what attendees will take away. This is your chance to set expectations and increase signups. Consider listing the key problems you'll solve, the format you'll use, and any requirements. Plain, friendly language works best here. Aim for 2 to 4 sentences that provide real clarity. You may also see a section labeled Webinar Type. If you're given a choice, make sure Live Webinar is selected. Zoho also supports on-demand webinars, which are recorded sessions attendees watch on their own time. For this tutorial, we're focusing on the live format so you can host and present to your audience in real time. Next, click the date field and pick when you want the webinar to happen. Choose a date that gives you enough time to promote the event and prepare any materials you plan to show. If your audience spans multiple regions, consider a time that's convenient for most attendees and avoid public holidays or known blackout periods. Set the duration for your session, be realistic, and build in a small buffer for Q&A. For example, if you plan a 30-minute presentation and a 10 to 15-minute discussion at the end, choose a duration that comfortably covers both. Ending on time helps you maintain a professional impression and keeps your audience's attention. Select your time zone so the webinar is scheduled correctly. Pick the time zone you'll present from or the one that makes the most sense for your primary audience. Getting this right prevents confusion and missed sessions. Double check that the displayed time matches what you intend before moving on. If you plan to host this session regularly, click the checkbox to mark it as a recurring webinar. This is helpful for weekly trainings, monthly briefings, or ongoing office hours. When you enable recurrence, be mindful of the pattern and any end date so attendees always have accurate information and you don't accidentally schedule too many or too few occurrences. Once your title, description, type, date, duration, and time zone are set, and recurrence is selected only if you need it, review everything carefully. Spelling, time, and time zone are the main details that can trip people up. A quick double check now can prevent rescheduling later. When you're confident everything looks good, click Schedule. Your live webinar is now created and saved in Zoho Meeting. You'll see it listed in your webinars area, ready for any next steps you plan, like preparing your content or rehearsing your flow. That's all there is to it. With these settings in place, you're set up for a professional, clearly communicated live session that your audience can join at the right time.